have come from Chandigarh just to meet you all.
Thank you.
My lecture is over. So, now what I want to tell, I am Unicorn CEO, life coach, motivational speaker in 10x money business and personal development coaching. What I do, I just charge my friends who Hello, dear friends. Wonder Tips channel welcomes everybody, and there is going to be a wonderful and thunderful. As per our environment in Bangalore, you will be getting a great podcast today. My dear friends, the great podcast with cosmetic technologist, you can say scientist, you can say expert, master of the subject, Mrs. Shalu Chauhan. Whatsoever I know about her, she is a great, dedicated personality towards the betterment of people's life. So, my dear friends, just fasten your belts and you will learn lot of things. And especially to my women friends, they will be enjoying this session because I was doing sessions with my experts, ladies in various fields, but this is personally where they can do wonderful things. So I now introduce and welcome again on this channel to Mrs. Shalu Chawla, expert. Yes, give ma'am your introduction, what you do, how you do, and then we'll be discussing our question answers. Go ahead, please. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Virendra ji, for such a beautiful intro. A bit about me. Before we begin with the podcast, I won't take much time. Shalu Chawla is my name. Founder of Adiri and Kaya is my company name. 27 plus years of journey of mine. I have treated more than 60,000 plus cases. I've really lost the count now.
Great.
Tried to help them with all the skin and hair issues. I wouldn't say 100% all of them, but at least 90-95% of people have been very happy. Remaining 5% would have been those categories who has not given time. But then each client of mine, I have really served the best and brought them out of those pigmentation issues, those freckles, those acne, those scars, those hair falls, dandruff, you name any of skin and hair diseases. My approach is, if you can call me in one liner, I've taken the best out of Aloe, Homo, Ayur, Naturo, everything, whatever the best I have taken into my formulation. So by degree, I'm a cosmetic technologist who's a formulator. Done my training in Johnson and Johnson's, worked with Tips and Toes as a cosmetic formulator, where we learn entirely how to formulate a formula, test a formula, finish product testing, raw material testing, final product testing. You know, so
Great.
that's my degree. And I deviated myself into skin diseases and making a formula suiting their skin type, catering to as much possible as natural ingredients in a formula. You cannot make a cream or a shampoo entirely herbal or natural. You will have to have some agents in that which will emulsify and all that. So they are skin friendly chemicals, very well accepted and adapted by our skin and hair formulation. We
Right.
should add a lot of organics to it. So that's where my approach is. And I keep on getting customized treatment and individually clients of mine, where we improvise the formula every month, every time. So every my one liner is not one product fits to all.
Wonderful.
Everyone needs a customization.
Wonderful, ma'am. And I know, as far as I know, because I'm not more beauty conscious, but yes, my ladies definitely need it. My wife, my daughter, my all ladies, they need it regular practice. And I tell you, a cosmetic scientist, you know, can create wonderful lifestyle for you. A scientist plays a surprising, important role in our lives, often behind the scene. They are not coming onto the scene, but they make your skin glow, your life glow, and it is all along with more and more safety, more health, healthy skin, healthy hair you get, all your worries go away. And every day, scientists make innovation and problem solving approach, at which I have heard about you, ma'am, that you are doing great. Hyperpigmentation, dry oily skin, premature aging, hair fall, everything you create wonderful atmosphere, and that too with organic things, with suitable customized things. So you tell about your journey, when you started, and what main benefits you have given to the people.
I started back 2000, year 2000. 1999, I was working with these companies as an R&D person. And then 2000 back, I started my journey. If you would ask me why and how, why was the reason, I would find many of the people losing confidence on themselves. It's not that I was a symbol of confidence. Definitely, a doctor needs a doctor, a psychologist needs another psychologist, teacher needs another teacher, because life is all about learnings.
Right,
You cannot say that you master in everything. So I will be talking here truth. I saw many of the ladies where they were not confident and happy in their own skin. My journey started as I wanted to convey a message to everyone: is be in best version of your skin. You're not copying anyone. You're not becoming an actress out here. They've got their genes, they're doing their job. You might be on a very big position in your company, you're doing the best of the jobs here. You have to live in best version of your hair. That can be thinner ones, that can have whiter hair. So you have to stop those deficiencies, which is creating those dandruff needs to be improved. I call it the best version of your hair. This clean scalp, skin into the best version, that you don't have those spots which is unnecessarily unnaturally created, what you're born with. Removing that skin out and living too many fairness things added and changing the structure altogether, I wouldn't call it a beauty. So
right,
my approach to why was to convey a message to every woman that be very confident in your skin, live the best version of it, no diseases, no drawbacks, nothing attached artificially which has come to you, remove it out of your body. Speak in a louder tone. Once you are confident, you are very decisive. You can take decisions very quickly in your life. Everywhere you are in a very merry-go environment, in your work, you're very satisfied. At your home with your children, you're satisfied. With your husbands, you're very happy because you feel good about yourself, your skin and all. If something is troubling you in terms of your skin and hair, 100% it's giving you some amount of unhappiness somewhere
very correct.
that actually impacts your day-to-day lifestyle. That is what I have observed with all my. So my approach was to make them look very confident in their own skin, which I could do. And when they have come back and their voices were little milder, they couldn't speak in that tone to me, and when they come back and their voices are very higher in tone and they're talking in a pitch which is higher than mine, trust me, I don't feel offended. I really feel nice that I could make them come to that level and they could speak nice. I realized my job is done.
Very correct, man. And I
So
tell
this is
you,
the reason I created. This is how I created. The reason behind is to make them confident. Yeah.
very good. Ma'am, you tell me, there is too much competition in the market. Although you are fully equipped with best degree from best institute, even though, why people should say, why only Mrs. Shalu Chawla, not others? Because
See,
you
it
are
will
very
be.
busy. I know you are very busy. I had to take time for this podcast after long meetings with you, and you could not spare your time. But I'm thankful to you that you have done it because you are already serving to the people. So, why
It's
only Mrs. Shalu?
it is a blessing that you all feel me today so valuable that my knowledge can add any value addition, or my company or meeting me or taking any podcast can add any value addition to society, humanity, or I feel blessed. But to be honest, I would love to keep up to all the appointments. I'm not able to, which I want to do it. Why me? It will not be good statement to say. There are many people who might be doing a good job around here. One of me would be the answer. Why one of me? Only me will lead me to a stage where I have learned everything in life. I'm content and I'm the proud, I'm the most on the top. I don't think we should reach there. God should always give me a wisdom to learn, always be in a receiving mode of knowledge from everyone. So one of me would be is I have studied skin well, hair well, simple things like your body getting into sweating or hot flushes will initiate your pigmentation on its own, your tanning on its own. So I've learned on people. I'm kind of a person who doesn't hold a doctor's degree. Again, everyone calls me a doctor. Again, I have been telling this, I'm a cosmetic technologist by degree, 4 years of technology course. But I've worked a lot on skin and hair, and I've realized practical knowledge is way more important. The bookish knowledge just plays 10% in your life. 90% is practical knowledge. So get to your practical knowledge well, learn it on people, your experiences, your everything talks back to you and you learn on them. So if today, if you tell me that I have learned a lot and I'm doing to people, they should come to me, rather I've learned from these people only.
Right.
They were the people who have taught me all my life what is to be done. So why Shalu Chavla? Because I have a lot of practical knowledge. I can correlate things where what is required and they're missing in their daily lifestyles or their foods or their internal things or their application part. Very, very important. You stand entire life in front of the shelf and you don't know what shampoo to buy, what cream to buy. You should be very, very well versed what ingredients to be added. So why Shalu Chavla? I educate people on what is to be picked up from shelf, what is to be bought. Understand your skin well, and then you spend. Whether it's 2 rupees, 20 rupees, 20,000 rupees, it's entirely your money. It should address to your root cause. You can't experiment. It's not an experimental platform entire your life. And when you can live up to that proper customization catering to just your problem, why don't we address to that first rather than going about everything and having 0 to 10 scale, you are happy in 4 5 entire your life, okay ye bhi theek hai, theek hai, theek hai. How will you know which is excellent for you? When will you reach to 8 and 9? You won't. Half of people doesn't even reach there, don't even know. So I want to educate humans. Everyone is there's a lot of things. You're sitting in mother of herbs available. Before approaching to many chemical procedures, try them first. I don't say they are wrong, but try them first. So that is why Shalu Chavla, I will cater to exact need of your skin with limited chemicals included in it.
Wonderful, ma'am. Thank you very much. And my viewers, how you are feeling? I think especially my ladies friends will be very happy to see, because this episode 85% is for them. Make your skin glowing. It will give you extra benefits, extra boost to your personality. And I tell you today, you are lucky there are two technocrats, one in textiles as well as in 10x money business and personal development niche. And other one is your very near and near one, Mrs. Shalu Chawla, who is diagnosing every bit of things which can improve your personality. So, if you want to consult me for all personal development niche, I am there to help you. And if you want your best beauty, best skin treatment, best mental, how you feel better every time, then consult my friend Shalu Chawla. She is expert. You will be getting numbers and all details about her websites into the description box. And I tell you, friends and ma'am, this is a vast subject. You need to take 2 hours, 3 hours webinar. I will be getting your services to come on to my webinars more often. I am taking. So today, with the lack of little bit time, you give what tips you want to give to your uh, you know students all over the world, because this podcast will be broadcasted all over the world with around 70 uh, channels of LinkedIn and around 60 groups of Facebook. This total will be around 3 crore people will be going through our podcast. So give your wonderful tip and guidance as a elder sister to all.
Sure. Thank you so much for such kind and beautiful words, Virendraji. You are, promoting all the entrepreneurs out there whom you feel they are doing good in their fields. But then, yes, you're playing a very important role here to bring it in front of people. It's a very genuine thing which you are doing for everyone. So my advice would be is very, very important that you people have a myth that for an acne we need a cream. For a dry skin, I need a toner. Recognize your bases well. I don't think an oily skin should be buying a base which has a cream or a lotion base. Gelling is very important for they can go with a very milder node. Yes, heavy ingredients of antibacterial in it can be formed. I'm not talking about those chemical pharma creams, but cosmetic creams while you're buying to solve your acne cases, go for your bases correct. You don't need those heavy buttercream, creams, lotions, which has a lot of oil content in it. Recognize it very, very well. Check for your bases. While you apply anything on your skin, be it cream or or a lotion, make sure that you're using your fingertips. People have an habit of putting it all across and use your palm, and they rub across on your face. Trust me, everything is gone here. 10% reaches to your skin.
Right.
So, two tips I have given today: check for your bases correct, whether it's oily based, uh, lotion based, butter based, what it is correct. That makes a big difference. How much, whatever antibacterial you're adding to it, if it has a lot of cream based, lot of oil, that is not going to kill your bacteria. It has, you have to dry up that place if you're getting acne and anything is required. So bases are playing a very big role. We can talk on it a lot. Second, application with your fingertips in circular anti-circular motion. I've said it many times. It will get inside to another layer. It will help you to detan, deshade. So get the cream properly inside your skin. Give a sweet time of 1 minute to massage the product inside your skin. It will penetrate, not to a huge extent, but then it should go into an extent that it should not stay oily on top. How do you realize this product or a cream is suiting you? Once you're massaging, your skin should not stay oily.
Very
Once you're massaging, your superficial skin should be at a normal, not oily, not very dry. So that's how you realize this product. And then if again you are reapplying it again and again, your skin is going dry, yeah, it is not catering to the need of your skin. You need an heavier emulsion there. You are very oily, you've already taken a strong base. So my tip is here: choose your bases wisely. Application is very important so that it gets inside and superficial layer is not very oily, not very dry. Thank you so much.
very good, wonderful, ma'am. And all my viewers, I would say that we have to say great thank you to Ma'am Chawla, because she has given her very important time. And all of you need to just have email and phone number, those who are interested. But maximum, you just see the timing should be from 9:30 to 5:30, uh, just comfortable space, which Shalu Chawla ma'am can feel. But definitely, I assure you that she is one of the best in Bangalore, in southern India, and you will be getting more and more value to the money. So let us wish a great success, Shalom Chawla ma'am, and I will
Thank
call
you.
you at the earliest on my podcast. So all my ladies friends sisters, and just like mother's life is, they will be enjoying with your session. And we'll be doing one session again after 1 month. Let us see that how our this penetration of promotion goes away. Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. Again,
Thank you.
from the viewers' point of view and from my channel, Wonder Tips, as a unicorn CEO, I will be thanking you the most. And my
Thank you
dear
so
viewers,
much.
tell you that VK Chaudhary is Unicorn CEO in 10x Money Business and Personal Development niche. I solve only 5 problems. Number one, I give promotion to your products if you are entrepreneur, mentor, or anything. Next 5 problems are I give you addiction free life. Number two, I give you health so that up to 70 years you need not to take any medicine. Number three comes always feel you are more than enough and you are getting great and great abundance. Number four is these days little bit, confrontation due to ego, disrespect, and some other things. Husband and wife relationships are not going well. To make them on one platform so that they can give example of their life to their children, their parents, their society, their country. So that I teach. And finally, I tell how to meditate every day for only and only 5 minutes, 10 minutes every day with a flavor of Hopono Hopono and EFT. So all the best. You are getting 2 stars here in the same screen. Thank you, ma'am. Namaskar. Jai Hind. To all, thank you again to ma'am and all my viewers. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.